extrude, smooth, bevel.
Alright guys, today we're gonna see how can we create a house from a single cube. First we resize, scaled up through Y axis and Z axis, and scale up more, move it up, yes, scale it more through Z axis, yeah, a bit more, scale up and move. Let's check, it seems okay. Now we apply loopcut to create the roof. We apply loopcut twice, otherwise we make all cube expand. Now we can create the roof. Yeah, select the top faces and scale and move down through Z axis to make it level with the house top. Now we inset. Yeah, now we inset. Yes, now it seems better. Move it up through Z axis. Yeah, we create chimney by extruding. Also we apply loopcut twice for the chimney top. Otherwise same thing happens. Select the top faces and scale it a little. Yeah, it seems nice. Now we start the create windows and the door. We subdivide the face and we inset. We shift by pressing G through Z and Y axis. And we will subdivide again and apply bevel. Just it is, yeah, it's okay. We apply material. Yeah, the brown one, wood looking one. It's a simple material. And we create if we create single material with different color, whole body color will change. That's why we create the second one for the details. Now we keep going with the windows. We inset. Yeah, make sure it doesn't seem weird as a scale. Yeah, this seems okay. Yeah, as a size we apply. Now the second inset is not a good idea. That's why we have different subdivisions on the different faces. That's why we apply direct bevel Let's try again. Yes, we select the faces for the frame. We apply bevel after applying material. Let's keep going with the other windows. We apply a little bevel to separate the faces, to create borders between the faces. The other one we don't need any subdivision. To create different types of windows, yes, we inset and we apply bevel for the frame. A single segment bevel is better for this kind of applications. We extrude a little and apply bevel again. First we need to apply material. After that we can apply bevel. Make sure we apply same material to all frame. We create another type of window. Yeah, we adjust the size. Yeah, roughly same with the other window. Yeah, we inset for the frame. Then we loop selection. Extrude and apply bevel. After applying material, yeah, we have our window. Yes, seems okay. And let's create another material. And for glass, for the windows, yeah, let's select faces. For the windows and the door also. Yes, we completed selection. And apply material. Now we select a material for the body, house body, the brick material. We apply same brown material for the roof. It's very simple. You can find free textures for the walls and the roof easily. Just here what I wanted to show you the technique, how to use the hard surface modeling tools. Yeah, we keep selecting faces for the roof and apply material. As you see, this is the basic house made of a cube. You can make neighborhood to duplicate this. Thanks for watching. Please consider like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you very much.